In this video, I'll show you the process of logging into your Roblox account. If you find this useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more great tips. Logging into Roblox allows you to access your account, save progress, and interact with other players. It also enables you to customize your avatar and enjoy exclusive features. To begin, open your preferred browser on your laptop or PC. Once your browser is open, type Roblox into the search bar and press Enter. From the list of search results, locate and click on the official Roblox website link, which will direct you to the Roblox homepage. On this page, look for the Login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this Login button to proceed. After clicking the Login button, you will be redirected to the Login page. Here, you will be prompted to enter your account credentials. If you already have a Roblox account, type in your username, email address, or the phone number associated with your account in the provided field. Once you've entered your username or email, proceed to the next field and input your password. Be sure to check that your password is correct to avoid any login issues. After entering your username or email and password, you can now click the Login button to access your Roblox account. If your login details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account, and you can start enjoying all the games and features Roblox has to offer. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.